Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE GRATES part #WB31K10034. GE GRATES part #WB31K10034 is a replacement grate for GE gas ranges. It is made of porcelain-coated cast iron and is designed to fit select GE gas ranges. The grate measures approximately 12 inches by 9 inches and has 4 burners. It has a matte black finish and is easy to clean. The grate also features raised edges to help contain spills and splatters while cooking. This part is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part, meaning it was made specifically for GE gas ranges. It is an ideal replacement for worn or damaged grates on your range, helping to restore its performance. And this part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement burner grate for a range. It can fix symptoms such as burners not heating properly, uneven heat distribution, and burner grates that are cracked or broken. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the stove. 2. Remove the existing grate by lifting it up and out of the stove top. 3. Place the new grate in place, making sure that it is properly aligned with the burner openings. 4. Secure the grate in place by tightening the screws that are located on either side of it. 5. Turn on the power to the stove and test to make sure that everything is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.